Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss what union transformation in Informatica Power Center. So this is the video lecture 38 of this Informatica class series. So let's see about union transformation. So first here, this is the basic diagram for the union transformation. So this here, the source is as called schema. The next is HR and flat file. So we can join here heterogeneous table by the use of union transformation. So here you can see this is source clarifier. And in the unions transformation, here if source are 3, then you need to create the 3 groups. So this is the 3 group is there, and there is the 1 output group. This 1 output group data that go to the target. Okay, and the next is here some important point related with the union transformation. So if source have same structure, then you can do here union transformation. You can also do the same thing with the help of joiner transformation and the lookup transformation. But here both create the cache, so performance gonna degrade. But union transformation doesn't create any cache. So better performance, you need to go with the union transformation. So let's understand one example of this union transformation. So first going to create one new mapping, m underscore union. Then after or here going to use 3 source. So here flat file and this here flat file 3, and let's drag one more flat file 4. So 3 flat file is there. Now thereafter let's see the data inside the flat file. So this is a flat file 2. This record is there 3040 and 608090. The same structure, same column is there. And the next is here file 3, file 4. So this here one record, the same structure. Okay, so this all that going to combine with the help of this union transformation. So here 3 source that's taken there. Now thereafter let's take one union transformation. So when you click there union transformation, then you can see new group that's come there. So since source is 3, so we need to create here, click on this group, then 3 group that's we need to create. So let's give here meaningful name. So giving here group 1, let's give the name group 2, and this here group 3. 3 groups, and this here you can see these properties are there. So first we need to take the one group, select this all, and here. So automatically there you can see one output group that's created and 3 input group. So let's select this 3 and here join there. And now let's select this 3, join there. And after that you can use any target tables. Let's use their dummy. And now we need to select here this output port and drag inside the target. Save that. Here you can see mapping is valid. So in this unit transformation, I didn't give any condition. So without giving any condition, this join the record from flat file 1, 2, and 3. Thereafter, let's go into the workflow manager. And let's take there one session. The name of mapping is here union. Thereafter, let's go in this mapping here file. So file is that's come from, this is the source is there of this file. So this is the location, and here or this here, this is the location of this file 3, and this here file 4. And after that taking the target, this come from HR, that's making normal, and thereafter truncate option, And here you can see this is the properties of this union transformation. So most of the properties are disabled. Thereafter, let's take the link task and save that. Now thereafter, right click there and start the task. So this run succeeded. Now if I double click there and thereafter source and target statics. So two record that's come from file 2, file 3, and file 4, 1. After combining 6 record that's loaded into the target. Okay, and if I go on this dummy and let's give you the username this all, and here you can see. So this is the first file record, the second and last third file record that's displaying. So if the file has the same structure, so you should go on this union transformation. Okay, and you can also join the same or different file structure. So let's see the example. So this time going to use your EMP, and next going to use your DPT, or let's use this time heterogeneous source, going to use the relational table or this here DPT, and let's take one more file 2. So now you can see all files has different structure. Okay, so this all have the different structure, and now so these files have a different structure. So let's take the union transformation. And first we need to create here the groups. So let's give here 3 groups. You can create multiple groups according to your requirement. Now no need to change anything else. Let's click on this apply, selecting this all, and now here. So you can see when you drag this first file, so input and output group you can compare. So here you can see there is a one output groups that's created there, and now this here or 2 or 3 input groups that's created there. So you can here join this. So DPT number that's going to join on this DPT number, and here DName that's going to join ename, and on this location. So let's give here job 2, and thereafter the next is for this also has the 3 columns. So here let's take the DPT number and ename that's giving DName, and let's take there. So here a structure or the file's structure is the nodes not the same, but we can join, but it's not look like any meaningful things. So let's take their all output group and dragging there. Save that, and now let's do the refresh. And thereafter we need to give your correct address for the EMP. So this come from, so here let's give the location of this file, and this here DPT. So this come from escort schema. Let's take the escort, and this here let's give, and here this is the target, making normal and truncate must be enabled. Then this return the record when session drop. So that's it. Now let's save that and start the task here. So unit transformation doesn't care about what that's entering. So simply that's create, or that's whatever the records on these 3 paths that's merge into the next target table. So here 2 files that's come from file 2, EMP has 15, and here 5. So this all join and store into the target dummy. So unit transformation, that's here, that's load the duplicate record as well. Let's see the data inside there of this target. So here you can see, so here you can see this the, so this is the record for, so this is the record for EMP, so first file, and here this is the record that's for here second file, and third file is this one. Okay, so here this simply join, so call here simply join this all. Here you can see 1 2 and here third 15 is there. So DPT number 15, this place that's come there for this one and that one, other is not. So simply that join. So when you're using unit transformation, if file structure is the same, so this should look meaningful, but here it's not look meaningful. But you can join here or the different sources by unit transformation. The most benefit of this unit transformation is it doesn't create any cache. So if I go on this get session log, then you can see there. So there is no any related things here. This block size, there is no any, and this query performance that's done here. So simply that's join the three file, duplicate without duplicate, whatever the record that's received from the files, different sources, that's simply join by the using of this unit transformation. So there is no any cache related kind of things. So that this definitely increase the performance of this mapping. Okay, so here this is the reason we are using the unit transformation. And there are so many properties are there, but most of them are disabled. So here this union transformation is active transformation because numbers of rows that come passes through the union transformation that's tightly change. Okay, so specify whether active or not. So when you this is enable here, so automatically this numbers of rows that passes to the mapping directly that's affect there. So you can see this 3 that's after that rows that's changed by 22. So numbers of rows that's changed there. And this is here. So runtime location is tracing level is partition. So this all important properties of this unit. And here you can see this group, and here this is the group ports. So you can do any changes of this group port. You can add, remove. Okay. So if DPT number here, the next let's add there or dname. So here let's give dname there. And now the next is location. So let's give your location. So you can create the port there. So this tools should be a string type. And now let's click on apply. So what I'm trying to do here. So this 3 that's going to remove. Now simply let's select this. And now let's take there. Okay. So this that's come there. Okay, and after that here you can also do the same thing with this other new group. Okay, so you can add the group and remove the group according to your requirement.